Welcome to Tally Help videos. In this video, you will learn how to schedule backup of your TallyPrime company data using Cobian Backup Software. Cobian Backup Software enables you to regularize and automate the process of taking backup of your TallyPrime company data. Your data has all the important information such as transactions, masters, company features, configurations, and others that may be vital to your business. Scheduling and regularizing the process of taking backup will ensure that your data is safe from any sort of loss. If you do not have Cobian Backup Software installed in your system, then you will first need to install it, and then you can schedule the process of taking backup using the same. Let us see how to do it. Open the Cobian's site in your browser. Click the version you want to download, say Cobian Backup 11 Gravity. As you can see, there is a link to download. Click Download it here, and the setup file will start getting downloaded. Once you download the setup, double-click on the file. The setup window appears. Click I accept the conditions and then click Next. You can type or select the folder path where you want to install the software. Then click Next to continue. Under Installation Type, click As a Service. Thereafter, click the checkbox Use the local system account if you are using the software only in a particular computer. However, if you are on a domain, select Use a regular account. Let's click Use the local system account. Now, click Next and click Yes to continue. Click Install, which will initiate the installation process in your computer. Once the installation process is completed, click Done. Now, you can start using the Cobian Backup Software to schedule TallyPrime company data backup. Open the Cobian software application in your system. Now, click Task. Then click New Task or simply press Ctrl A. You can specify the name for the task. For instance, let us name it Data Backup and then click OK. Now, select the source of the data for which you want to schedule backup. Source is the folder path in which that data is stored. Click Add under Source. Then click Directory. Let us consider that your data is in folder named TallyPrime Data. Click that folder and then click OK. It will get selected as Source. As you can see, the folder has now started appearing under Source. Now, let us select Destination in the same way. This is the folder where you want to store the backup of the data available in Source. Click Add under Destination and then click Directory. Now, let us consider that the folder in which you want the backup to be stored is named as Backup. Click that folder and then click OK. It will get selected as Destination. You can also create a new folder on the go. Click Make New Folder, give it a name, say Backup 1 and click OK. As you can see, the folder has now started appearing under Destination. Click OK to save source and destination. Now, right-click on the task Data Backup and then click Edit Task. You will see an option called Schedule. Click Schedule. Under Schedule type, click Daily, Weekly, Monthly as per your preference. It is recommended that you take data backup daily to ensure the safety of your company's data against any sort of data loss. For this instance, let us select Once. Select Date and Time. Now, click Dynamics. Under Full Copies, select the number of copies you want to store in the destination folder. For instance, if you select 3, then the folder will always keep the last 3 backups. Using Archive, you can also zip all the files in the data backup. To do so, click Archive. Under Compression Type, select the preferred option. Now, you can use the option Filter in order to exclude some files that you may not need in the backup. For instance, let us exclude .tsf files. You can also continue to access the data during the backup process when you exclude .tsf files from the scheduled backup. Click Add and browse .tsf files in the source folder and then click OK. As you can see, the data backup is created in the destination folder that you had selected. To restore the data, right-click on the zipped folder and click Extract here. Now, you can load the company data in TallyPrime and continue to work without worrying about the safety and security of your data. As you saw, scheduling TallyPrime Data Backup using Cobian Backup Software is very simple and seamless process. Thank you. To know more about TallyPrime features, visit help.tallysolutions.com.